Hi, I just wanted to take a moment now to share with you the Envirocloth. When the company first got started in 1994, this Envirocloth is what the company started with. This was the very first product. This cloth comes in pink and gray and green, and this blue that I'm showing you. They all do the same thing. It's called the Envirocloth, and there's a tag on the cloth that says Enviro. So you're going to see Enviro E. I want you to think everything, because you truly can clean just about everything in your house with this. Now, this is a microfiber, which is great. You see a lot of microfibers these days, and I would like to tell you what sets this microfiber apart from the others. When you think of microfiber, I want you to think of like little tiny vacuum cleaners that are helping clean up all of your surfaces. And this is going to replace all of your sprays and wipes and different cleansers that you're currently using right now. So the first thing that makes us different is that to be a microfiber, you only have to be 1/6 of a human hair. But Norwex takes it a step further, many steps further, and makes it 1/200th of a human hair. That means that it's a finer weave, allowing more microfiber in the actual cloth so that you're getting more surface area to clean your counters with. And so when you think about that, like we were thinking about vacuum cleaners, would you rather have 6 vacuum cleaners helping clean your surface or 200 vacuum cleaners cleaning up your surface? So it's a very effective cloth. The second thing is because of the fine weave, it also makes it a very dense cloth. You can actually clean 99% of bacteria from your surfaces with this cloth. And because it's so dense, it's going to pull that bacteria into the core so that you can't cross-contaminate. When you're wiping something up, you can go ahead and wipe up another surface afterwards. It's not going to cross-contaminate because that bacteria is going to be locked in there. In fact, this microfiber is so dense that if we were to unravel it, the microfibers would go all the way from Canada down to the Gulf of Mexico. So I wouldn't actually recommend trying to unravel it. You'd have quite a mess on your hands. And finally, the last thing that makes this really special is the microsilver that's woven into the material. If you're not familiar with silver, it does have natural antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. So what that means is that as your cloth is drying, after you've done your cleaning, you're going to rinse it out with some hot water. The hot water helps the fibers expand to help release all the bacteria that it just locked in the core. You're just going to give it a little agitation under the water, and the bacteria is going to, most of the bacteria will rinse out. What's left will be targeted by the silver that's in it. You're going to hang it by this handy little tag here. That microsilver is going to go to work targeting and suffocating that bacteria that is left within the cloth. So then what that means is you have a clean cloth as soon as it's dry, it's good to go again. It's not going to get smelly because the bacteria is gone, and you don't have to launder that as often.